Now let's go for a new pattern. A new pattern that is 45. Alaf, the new pattern is which one? Combination of about two. Combination of about two. Like this diamond shape. All of you. Like this. This is what required. Right. This is what we try now. So same the two programs, right? Okay, 33, 43, 44 programs. Just if you take both programs, then it will come, right? So we'll take as a pattern 45. So same input of enter n number of rows, enter n number of rows, n equal to, right? N equal to. Okay, so I'll write very fast here for I in range of starting 1 n plus 1. Okay, and first four spaces, three spaces, two spaces, one space, right? First consider this part only. First we do program for this part, then second this part. So up to this part, spaces how many? First four spaces, three spaces, two spaces, one space, right? That's what I write here. So for j in so first four time it writes n plus 2 minus I. So 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 1, 6, 6 before 5. 5 coming, right? Okay, no, I want only 4 times first. 4 times means take the plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 before 4. So 4 times it rates, next 3 times or 2 times, 1 time, and then no time. So directly we take n equal to what? Like this. Then what about the k? For k in range of, okay, then displaying the which value k value, right? First one time only, then 2 times or 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, starting 1, then I plus 1, all of you. Then print of k and equal to what? Like this, right? At the end, let's take the empty print here. I am giving the 5, yes. So how it came means I'll make the patterns here when I value 1. So j iterating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then k iterating how many times here? K iterating one time only. So that means 4 spaces, then 1 displaying. Here spaces displaying, here digit 1 displaying, because k means what? First time 1. When I value 2, then j iterates 3 times only, and k iterates now 2 times. 1, 2 display, 1, 2 display. And the next I value 3, the 2 spaces will come. K iterates 1, 2, 3, 3 times. When I value 4, then k iterates only 1 time, but j iterates 1 time, k iterates 4 times. When I value 5, then j, no iterations, means no spaces. Then k, how many times iterating? 5 times iterating, means 5 digit display. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 display. This is what the first pattern. The second half, when you come to second half for again I in range of 1 n plus 1 for j in range of. So first time no spaces, second time 2 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 spaces, no space, 1 space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 spaces, means 1 minus 1 comma I. What is first time I? 1, 1 before 0, no iteration. So second time I 2, 1, 2 before 1, 1 to 1 means 1 iteration, yes. Then take what? Lately like this. Then next about the k for j in range of, first time 5 times, then 4 times, 3 times, 1 time. So 1 starting 1 n plus 2 minus I, then print of what? K and equal to like this. Then you take here empty print empty print. Let's take the 5. Yes, we got the pattern. Right. So here the pattern is when I value 1, j iterating how many times, no times, then k iterates how many times, 5 times. When I value 2, j iterating just one time only, and k iterating 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. When I value 3, then j iterating 1 to 2 times, k iterating 1 to 3, 3 times. When I value 4, then j iterating 1, 2, 3, 3 times, k iterating 1, 2. When I value 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, then k iterating 1 time. That's all. Right? This is the a combination of those two guys, right? All of right. Thank you, all of guys. Bye.